What's up, guys? Today I got a little special video for y'all. So it's here, my MSD Atomic Air Force intake for my LT1 2017 Camaro SS. It took a while to get here, probably took like a month and a half, but I finally got it, man. Beautiful. Ported by Prey Performance, Prey Porting. Ready to go. Right now I'm gonna install it. Give it a little crank, see how she works. Then work out the bugs with Prey on the tuning. That's because I got drag radius. I ain't got the little PSI sensors, but it seems to be doing well. I like it. We took it in a test drive. It felt a little bit more torqueier. I'm happy with it. It feels like it pulls harder. Let me give you a quick glimpse of how it looks. That's the old one. Anybody got a light? That's the finished product. And everyone's standing here. Dark side, nitrous outlet. Where's dark side? Where's dark side? Dark side. Oh. But yeah, it ran well. Some regular driving. Here with Carl, my boy Carl, chilling. It feels snappier. It feels like it, whenever you gun it, it feels real good. Right now I'm gonna do a little pull for y'all. I did notice a difference though with the intake manifold. You notice a lot less restriction, right, Carl?
Yeah.
What do you notice about it?
Feels a lot crispier, you know, the power band smoother. Hell of a lot more top end, you know, like you actually feel it breathe. Like it doesn't feel, you know, that it's bogging or, you know, like it's gasping for air. It's got it right when it needs it.
Yeah, that's what I liked about it too. Feels awesome, man. I mean, I never felt the you know, a regular MSD intake manifold, because I mean, I ordered mine from a company and they shipped it to Prey Performance. From there he ported it and shipped it to me, so I really don't know how a stock manifold feels like, but this one feels awesome, man. Like I'm not even mad about it, dude. Like it feels freaking awesome. I'm giving it a little bit of gas. I need to hook up them pipes, right? Because they're rattling a little, because I only got like, my pipes are like all the way to the diff, right?
Yeah.
To the IRS, but I need to really tie them up, dude, because I hate that noise, that little rattle sound. Got me. I'm gonna put it on track mode. holder, intake manifold, 17 rears, race stars with Mickey Thompsons, and tuned by Prey Performance. Oh, and E85, right? But it feels pretty good, man. I like the pool. Feels real nice and good. Let's go over there. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with the intake. Oodles to MSD, right? And Prey Performance. Check them out, man, on Facebook. Awesome guy, man. He always delivers. But yeah, that's about it. Till next time, guys.
Ciao.
Boy Carl said ciao. Later, guys.